Okay. Now, till now we have learned that if you want to launch a web page, we have lot of criteria to be fulfilled. Like we should do VPC and all those things. Okay? And then go inside, do HTTPD and do all those things. Yes or no? Till that we have learned. Assume you have a server, okay, which you want only from 6 to 5. Assume. Time period you have something. Okay? Always you want to start to 6 o'clock and should off by 7 o'clock or something. What will do? You have to assign one person for that, or you should give responsibility some of the groups. You come early, I will go late, something like that. So if it was on premise, it was tough. Somebody has to stay. Might be somebody is late to come. The server is down. Yes. Or might be there are some maintenance. Every one hour or every some interval of time, there is some updates you have to do. The live server is running.
Lazy recording inter.
Huh? It is recording only.
Sorry.
Okay. Then what will you do? So you need certain function that it will do automatically. That is what lambda function. Lambda trigger the job. It will give you a button, start stop button, and you have to combine those two startup button with CloudWatch. CloudWatch will do scheduling the job. Lambda will trigger the job. CloudWatch will schedule the job. CloudWatch will schedule the job. And starting, stopping, and all those things will happen now. You should get an alert. Like, okay, 6 o'clock is started. Might be I'm the manager. My duty is to open at 6 o'clock. If I receive a message at 5:30 only, started, fine now. No need of hurry. So I need some kind of notification. So that notification is done by SMS. Simple notification service. So once your instance starts, you will get a message. That is what the entire function. Lambda works with all those three things. Lambda is one function. CloudWatch is one function. Okay, in CloudWatch again SLS is one function. And in CloudWatch one more thing will come today, cron tab. The scheduling of job by Linux. Clear the scenario? Understood? Online people understood what I'm saying? I'll make a diagram and I'll do more easy. So, assume you have instance like this and you need a scheduler that it should start at 6 and stop at 7. Okay, anytime you can choose your time. So first what you have to do, you can do individual also. Is way how you plan. Like for example, might be you want this one, some timing, this one, some timing. This is one page, this is one page. One first time it will open this, second time it will open this. You could do that also one by one. Depending on the situation, it will work. But the question is that if you need something on time basis, then what we will do? So we are doing that one. So we are doing start and stop. But other function also can be done. But for this, you need a knowledge of Python. You need coding knowledge, no need to learn. Scripting is there, you should understand the script. You need knowledge of software to understand. No need of scripting. Is not required to see and learn what is happening. You should know how this is given me, I have to change this thing. Those knowledge you need. It's not like that you have to write a code. Code and everything is given by AWS. I'll show you the page also now. Documentation is there. Go there, copy that code, and just change what you want. Okay. But in real time, if I see like this, I have to create a person to do this job. No. Okay. Basically, we keep person for this. If it is on premise, I have to keep a person for this. You go at 6 o'clock, you start at 6 o'clock, you come at 7 o'clock, stop at 7 o'clock. Like closing the office, for example. Okay, that is what earlier it was there. On premise. There will be always the IT person will come early, will go late. That is their job. Okay, but now when cloud came into picture, same thing happened but automatically. But it cannot do, one resource cannot do all those things. So you have to add some resources inside. So what I need first resource. Lambda. So trigger my job. Like start and stop. It will help to trigger my job for doing start and stop. You have to create a function. It will start, it will stop. Lambda. Next, I need automation. So I have to join this one to CloudWatch. CloudWatch will perform the tasks of Lambda. Automation. CloudWatch will do. So CloudWatch will not connect with the EC2. Your job you want static, that job you will be creating here. And CloudWatch will do that job process. Like management level thing. Okay? So for doing this job, you have to create some roles and policies. Policy and role for Lambda. If these all things are done, then we do not need this person. Then automatically it will work. That is what your Lambda function is. Lambda will only trigger the job, but for scheduling that job, we need CloudWatch. And Lambda to do this job, we need some rules and policies. Clear? Online people understood? Any questions? Today who are miss absent, if you check the video, this is very important topic. This is one of the most asked questions. How will you trigger your jobs? How will you schedule your job? So you cannot say only CloudWatch. Okay? You have to say I need policies and roles. The first thing, I need Lambda to trigger the job, and I need CloudWatch. These all three things will do automation. Only one will not do automation. The automation trigger will create by Lambda. But to run the trigger, we need CloudWatch. You will understand. I'll do it now. Up to here clear? Any questions you have? Online peoples? Anything? Usha, Bharat, Lakshmi, if you have joined. Any doubts? Whatever I have explained till now?
No, sir.
Usha?
No, sir.
Any other side? Two sides are there, not too many. Right, event. So, sorry, Sujan? Who is there? Okay, you were. So big name. I think 4 people are there. Okay. Lakshmi?
No, sir.
Oh, okay, fine. But today only 7 joined. What about others? But where is she? Swati? Shweta? Any idea? She joined yesterday at night. I have seen. Joined and left. I think she has downloaded and she has left. Please check after the class. Because at present there is no other AWS batch going to run next 2 months. If she has to complete this batch, or she has to wait for 2 months. Please pass the information to her. If she's getting this video, is fine. She'll get the recording. This message was Shweta only, but call her also. Because now upcoming days, no batches. Kunal is packed with MCS and CCR. So that will go for minimum 1 month. And if she has DevOps and all those things, it will take a long time. And for DevOps, I am the only one in entire institute. It's not like if you don't like me, you have to do with me only. No other option. No other option. I don't like this, I will not do. No other option only. Nobody is there. And you think, okay, I don't like, sir, I need refund. That will also not possible. You have to do anyhow. So please join properly. Okay, so let's start doing it. So first of all, what I will do, I'll go with my this scenario. First, I will create 2 EC2 instance. Okay, and then I will create 1 web page. You join. Okay. We are doing good job. Don't kick anybody. Huh? I'll kick you one day. That also are playing with somebody. With Sai only, correct?
At that time, if you were bullet daily.
Achha. So first of all, I'm going to create these two EC2s with some functions. Okay. Okay. I was supposed to try something. Let me try also. I am trying something here for my experiment. I have seen yesterday something. But when I will practice, I forgot. I'll do it now. So let's see. These things are same. You can keep in any group. If you want multiple also, you can do multiple, no problem. Here I will add. I'm just trying this one. If it works, you can do it. I'll explain you what I'm doing. Let's see up to here on. Add storage to this. Let's give name. Practice security group. This one, all traffic, review, launch. Launch. Let's go to mobile extreme. I will just launch to web page, okay? You can add here load balancer, everything. Okay, as per requirement you can do. Let me check my command worked or not. Okay, not work. Fine. Okay, let's do one thing. Anyhow, I want start and stop. I'll give you one homework, you do it. Instead of doing, it will take some time. So what I will do, I have created two instances. It is running. I will do task with start and stop. Okay. Then I will put some scenario. That's for your homework. By today itself. Same thing. What homework I will do, I'll let you. Easy only. For me it is easy. For you also it is easy only. Not to worry. So two created. So my these two tasks is done. Creating two instance. Only I am not launching web page now. Okay. Now I have to trigger this job. But before triggering this job, you have to create this policy. What I have written here. So I have to create policies and rule for my lambda. The lambda will do this job, what job? Start and stop. How do you understand? When you create a switch, okay, it understands on and off. So that program you have to install it. So for that you need policies and rules. Okay, clear? So where I will create policy and rule? Yes. In your yes, any question? So first you have to get policy. I think I have created one policy yesterday night only. I will delete that first. In role also I have created somewhere. That day when I was doing 104 that button was not working. Remember? While showing a role, now it is working. Full one. Yeah, I have two roles more. 16 hours yesterday I have done. So in your time it will not be there. Okay, whatever roles I am creating while doing my lambda, I have to join those roles. So policies and roles are very important. If you miss this part, your entire automation will not work. Okay, clear? Or without that role, you cannot join, you cannot start your lambda. Role you have to give. So for doing that role, first I have to create policy. The policy name you should give as per your action. Like my action is start and stop. So give that button. Easy to understand. Or you can give any name. It's up to you. Create policy. First policy, then role. I told you in the beginning only in IAM I will do this thing. So now I am explaining what is policy and what is role. First policy, what role will do. Like somebody get recruited, then only we will tell now this is the job roles you have. The first job role should be created. Then I'll appoint somebody. So here I am creating the role. What this role will do, then I'll add as a policy. So choose service, EC2. In EC2, what I want. There are approx all services are here. Depending on your services, you have to come. Okay, so now I'm doing in EC2. You need lot of practice for this. Okay, select EC2. Now in EC2 you'll get write, tagging, read, list. You will get lot of things. If you do expand all, lot of things are there. In EC2, what are the things you want? If you want, you can go one by one by one. The automatic what you want. So I want only start stop. I am just hitting start. Start instance, and then I want stop instance. If you want terminate also, terminate is also there. So in my PPT, terminating is there. Practice that one. Okay, done. Now scroll down. So stop I have created. Did I mark stop? Now specify the resource. Click here. You will get two things: specific or all resource. All resource in the sense whatever you have in your VPC, everything whichever you select. Specific means if you create tag. While creating tag, I have given Linux now. So that Linux name you have to give. So you have to in this account, you have to create, then edit. What name you want to give, you can give. So people, we don't do like this, we do all resources. Because anybody can create any name, any tag. Okay? So all resources, scroll down, next tag. If you want, you can give, I'm doing review. I'll give a name, start hyphen stop. Whatever name you like. Description, it should start at 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, because who will see this one, he can understand. Somebody's mic is open. Okay. Once done, now policy is created. Now, for this policy, you have to create a rule. This role will act with this policy. Now, role. So, create roles. Select lambda for which you are creating it. Here, I have created that policy. Start and stop. Select this. Next tag, if you want, review. That's well. Okay. Start and stop is there. Create rule. So now your roles is created. Now lambda will know what he has to do. He knows that he has to start and stop the instance. Other function, if you give to the lambda, it will not work. Okay? Clear? Till here, online people, any questions, any doubt, anything?
No, sir.
No. Okay, great. I am deleting older things. So now, this part is also done. Policies and rules. Now I will come to lambda. I will make my switch. How to on, how to off. Okay? Click here. You will get in compute only lambda. Third one. Okay. Two are created. I'll delete this. Now for doing this, okay, you can use any language. The people who are developers, they can create. You people do not know. So by default, your AWS support two language. One is JSON language, another is Python language. Both similar, almost same. Okay. Here, no need to learn. Everything is ready-made. Just you have to know. If you see that code, you should know what to change. Okay. So let's start doing. You understand? Create function. This one I will zoom. I say there. This one I cannot zoom. Huh? Here, let's give a name. Okay. In which language I want? I want in Python. If you know other, you can use. Then rules, which you have created. Okay. Next, create function. Now, here you have to run the function. Here. Now, where will get that function? Come to Google. Yes, unit function, write on lambda. Lamborghini. Lambda function in Python. So you will get lot of functions over here. Okay. Go for AWS documentation. Open this. So what kind of function you need, you can invoke here. Scroll down, you will get lambda code related Java. I'm doing it Python. Okay. Handler, context, login. So this is invoke. In documentation, I should guess. Just a second. Permissions. Let's come here. Write down. Button stop. Instance using lambda. The same thing Amazon web page only will get. So this is a platform Amazon. Here if you scroll down, first policy. If you want to create policy by coding, this is the coding you have. Start and stop, which I did manually. Next, stopping, starting. Okay. So what I'm creating here? I'm creating here lambda function for start, correct? So I need a code here to do. It was lambda function py only, see, but JSON format. Delete this. The page that you have open this code and do. Just copy it. Yes. Now what you have to change here? You have to change your region and instance. Region and instance. Here by default it is showing here US West 1. Okay, by default is showing here US West 1. But your EC2 is where? Mumbai. Mumbai is what region? AP South 1. See. You cannot copy it. You write this one. AP A1 1. Availability zone comes with ABC. Region comes with only number. AP South 1 or AP South 2, something will come. ABC is for availability zone, not for region. Okay? This is one. Next, you have to change this instance. Yes. Delete this. Come to here. If you click on your instance, you will see first on the instance ID. Copy. Paste. Okay. Same here also. Okay. That's it. These things for these only. If your codes are big, you have to understand what to change. Basically, you have to change your region and what you want that ID. Deploy. Without deploy, it will not work. Deploy means saving. Then create one trigger button, that is test. I'll create a trigger button like a start. So one done. Now I'll create for stop. Dashboard. Create function. Stop. Change roles. Use this. Create function. Okay. Again, same way you write down will get in up only it is just stop. Here you have to change. Just changing it. Remember, the small quotations are there now. Don't delete all those things. If you delete, you will say tomorrow, sir, is not working for mine. Now deploy. Deploy done. Create one trigger button. That means I am creating switch for this for testing purpose. Okay. Now let's see whether this trigger button is working or not. Okay. See here. It is running. Come to lambda. Come to stop. Action. Test. I am doing manually. Test. Refresh. Stopping. So my trigger is working. Not automation. Manually I am doing this one to check my switch first. Which switch, what it is working. Same way I can check for my start also. So before going to next step, we should follow this first. Syntax error, why? Still, now it will work. Okay, what code, what error? Episode 1, this. Anything I missed? Okay, test. Yeah, one space came here. So now if you see here, refresh, running. So my lambda is working, my trigger is working. Now I need to do automation. Up to your clear, online people? Usha, Lakshmi, clear up to here?
Sir.
Okay. Please respond, because I'm not seeing Skype. You have given thumbs up, Coke, or I don't know. Okay. Now next function. So now roles created, this is created. Now CloudWatch, you have to integrate this one to CloudWatch. And you need notifications also. So for that, with CloudWatch, we have to add SNS. Okay. So how will you add? First of all, you have to start SNS. So come here, management. Machine learning, where it is. Not in management then. Hold a second. Yes. This is business application, simple image service. No, not this. Search option I also know. I just want to find it out. Okay. At last search option only. Simple notification service, but why I have not got?
Services.
Fine. Okay. Oh, already I have created. Subscription, let's sum this. Delete. Okay. It will be like this one. So you have to just create a like you do for a mobile phone. Now you get a message, OTP type. It will give a notification. But sometime it will come, sometime it will not come because you are using free tie-up. Remember this thing. You are using free tie-up. You are not paying anything. So that sandbox, they have given name as sandbox to the server. It will work according to his wish. So I'm just showing you the process. If it works, it is fine. If it doesn't work, so you people know. So create function. So I have need text messages. So I'll do this. Subscribe number. Here I have already one number here. Okay. My number I have. What I have done, I have given one topic. Here select protocol. I'll delete my one. Let me check whether I can delete this thing or not. Then I will do from the beginning. Next step. Not this topic. Okay. Yeah, delete. Okay. Now if I come to this, I think I will not get my number. Still there. Okay, here a number is nothing. Okay, here you have to add your number. So can I give anybody's number? Give a number. 638 123 28. 638, correct?
123
28. 123 28. So it is not there, we have to add. See, now number is not come. Date came? No. So here, before you subscribe this thing, this ARN number should come, this SNS policy should come up, and then this. If I give my number is there, you can see because already I have subscribed. So for that you have to create subscription. Directly you cannot use. For that subscription has been done. As a free is fine, effective 1st June, telecom provider no longer support this person P2P. Okay. For sending SMS is to US destination. Okay. For us, we can do. So let's see. Create subscription. So for subscription, you need an ARN number, Amazon resource number. Whenever you create any roles, any policies, you will get this. For this also, I have to create some rules. So let's come in here. Topic. Create topic. I'll do standard. Okay. Because if I do standard, I will get subscription protocol for SQS, Lambda, HTTP, SMS, everything. If I do this, I will get only SQL. So I'll do with this one. Standard one. The SQS topic is different. Now, give a topic name. Lambda. Display also same. These optionals, like if you want any encryption part, like coding will go, you can encrypt all those things. If you do, you can do it. So delivery status, tag option, if you want, you can just come. After logging, what they should do. 100% success rate only, you should get a message. So I don't want that. It opens, I should get a message. So simple, I'll come here. Create topic. Topic created. Come to mobile. Push notification. Okay, so originate numbers. Not this. Hold a second. SMS. Where is that option? Request key, request phone number, country code, no. Okay, SMS settings are set. Already I have set my one now. I will delete this. Cannot delete verification phone number before 24 hours pass. Okay, I cannot delete also. Yesterday night I have created 7 o'clock. 24. Okay, I'll add some new number. Okay, I'll give my number. That is 9170026348. I'll get a verification code. So I'll get a verification code. I got 91026. Then submit verification. So it is verified. Okay. Here also you have to do same way. You have to see this, scroll down, SMS setting, destination phone number, give your number here. Okay, you will get a verification message also. Once this is done, come back. Now text message. Okay. Subscribe number to topic, you will get your ARN number. You need SMS. Which number you want SMS? Select your SMS. You're just joining. And this, whatever I'm creating my subscription, I will join to my CloudWatch. Okay, I'll join to my CloudWatch. So once this is done, create subscription. Now subscription is created. Till here clear what I have done? This is only to give you notification of start and stop of your instance. Okay, clear? Understood? Online?
Yes, sir.
Oh.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now I have here open CloudWatch. Here event rules. Okay. In rules you have to do this. You have to create rules here for start and stop. But before that you have to learn something cron tab. This is a function of Linux. It will help you to schedule your job in Linux because the Lambda is entirely based on Linux. How? Let's see. So let's create a rule. Schedule. You can see here cron expression. Okay. Now this cron expression is like this. Whatever I have done, every steps are given here. Okay, just go through it. This is how cron expressions are made. First one is minute, next hour, next day. Like today 27 day, next month and week. As per your requirement, you can fill it up. Which time, what hour, which date, which month you want to do. Like you want to start a server for a company for 2 years because he has given subscription for 2 years only. Okay. So specific the date, month, from where to where, when it should start, when it should stop, or when it should terminate. That one you have to do. And in the beginning you can do. Like for example, you are supporting a company, 5-6 company. They have given subscription. So you will give a subscription that, okay, for 2 years, it will start today, it end tomorrow. For example, or 1 year after. You will get a notification before terminating that one. That your subscription is going to over. Like I will get a message, I'll see my message. Okay, within a week is going to over. If you want, we can renew. Then we can go and edit and we can change it. Or else, according to CloudWatch, as per its rule, it will delete or stop or terminate. So these rules can be created only with the help of cron expression. Clear? Now again there is a problem. Lot of problems are there. You are staying in India. Some people are staying in abroad with different timing. Correct?
Yes.
So we follow a universal standard time. What is that? We use IST, India Standard Time. What is universal UTC? It works on UTC method. From UTC we are 5 to 30 hours delay first, or you can say their delay. Like if mine it is 1 o'clock, they are equal minus 5 o'clock. They are around 9 something. So we cannot remember, correct? So for that, just come here, UTC and to IST. So now it is 7:42 for them. Our time is 13:12. Okay, this is what the converter is. By seeing this converter, you have to work. You will see this, but we will put this one. It work on UTC. Okay. Now what is the time? 1:23, 13:13. Okay, I want at 1:20. It should stop. 1:20. It will take some time to make you explain that. I am taking 1:20. So 1:20 means 7 minutes. So here I have to add 7. That means it will be 50. 17:50. So 7:50. Correct? So let's do. So here expression first count minute. 50. Next 7. Next 8. Now, if you want continuously every day, you give star. You give star. Star means next month. Question mark. Every year, every time. You will get a list. Wednesday is 20, today 27, na? 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, it will go on. If you want specific, no, I don't want today, I want tomorrow. Change the date, 28. Give 28. I want on December, give 12. According to you wish, you can start stop an instance. See, by default, okay. First I will create this one, okay. I will teach. Or else my time will go, na? Okay. Now add target. Here I should do lambda. Here. Then I have to stop. I want to add one notification service. SNS. In notification service, I have done lambda, correct? Configure details. Clear? Now, just give that rule name. Stop I have done, na? Stop. Same way for start also. 55 after 5 minutes. 7. I am giving a star. I'll explain you again. Not to worry. Without explanation, you understood. Very good. Thank you.
The range will be like this.
I'll question mark. I'm not able to find question mark only. So date like this, 7:55. Add trigger. SNS topic lambda. Add target. Anyone you can put, no problem. Lambda functions. Start. Configure. And start. Now, as per our rule, we work on UTC. When it is 50, it should stop. Okay. Now this is where I have to see. Yesterday night didn't work. It didn't work yesterday night.
Automatically it will add with the instance or need to do it?
Nothing. You have done now. You have created a rules now. While creating a lambda, I have given my instance ID now. So all is interlinked. Okay. Now we have to just simply wait here. Okay, so till now, anybody has any questions, queries? Because if it works, homework will come.
Characters are given with that. If you today it's each is given in the same date it will start and stop.
Yes. It's up to you. If you give question mark, year means every year. If you give star means default, every day. You specify. So anybody has any questions, any queries? Online? Usha, Lakshmi, Bharat, Sai. Anybody more there? Lakshmi?
No, sir.
No, sir.
You say no, sir, but I have not received that homework. ALB, NET. Only Usha has given and Sandhya has given to me. And Nirmal one only. Where is netting? Others? What do, sir? When? When DevOps is over then? This week almost finished course. Almost finished only, I think so. 2 days left more, na? Today's Wednesday, is na? Saturday also will continue. Saturday 10 o'clock. I'll tell on Friday, but I think Saturday also will continue. Is finished with this week. Next month, new topic.
Monday's holiday.
Monday by holiday then.
Karnataka.
Online will do na. You are going to dance on that holiday. Let's see if officially it is closed and closed. I think it will not be closed. Because why I am doing it finishing now, I want to start new time new class. November means or else after Diwali. I know you will tell that one I like to go home, sir. I'll do crackers.
Bharat also, he got a laptop.
Bharat will buy laptop, na?
Just yesterday,
हाँ.
we went to start after Diwali, why because we don't.
See, this is all about your batch. If all batches students are agree, I don't have any problem. Talk in your batch and let me know. But first, finish AWS first. We'll see. Because project will come. I'll give an homework also. Until that is finished, DevOps you can't go. Let's see. Okay, it's 11:20. Let's refresh it. See? Stop. Is working. Clear? But night didn't work. As per Kunal sir said, after 6 o'clock it doesn't work. I don't know why. I have to check. Yesterday night didn't work. Okay? So till you are clear, again we'll wait for 5 minutes because we will just for start. It will start. Okay? Okay, in this group, everybody has DevOps, correct? Or somebody don't have? You don't have, na? Okay. You don't have. Okay, fine.
Sir, even I don't have sometimes.
Okay, fine. Then once this AWS is over, please quit this group, okay?
Okay,
All
sir.
right. Okay. So Usha, do you have any query, anything doubt till now? Usha over online?
No, sir.
Okay. Achha, is there any course left, Usha, for you? Like whatever admission you have taken, whatever course you have taken, all finished or something left?
Sir, CCNA lab I have to do. Sir.
CCNA lab you have to do. So you can come down on Saturday, na, if you can.
Yes, sir. This Saturday I'll come. Sir.
Yeah, fine.
Still backup taking.
They have not done what I will do. See, now every Saturday lab is free.
No, that day I showed you, sir, that error.
Okay. Backup I do. I will do. I forgot. I am just concentrating on DevOps. DevOps yesterday from last 1-2 weeks I'm getting on error. I am doing that one. Still I have not found out the error. One batch is stuck for 1 week for that error. Without that error, I cannot go move forward. With automation I was doing, somewhere automation is stuck. But there are 8 servers I have to check. So only 3 servers I have to check. Let's see. So 22, okay, more 5 minutes, more 3 minutes. Okay. In the meantime, please take out your copies and I need the homework tomorrow. Write down properly and try to understand. Same diagram, same thing, but something changed. Okay? In here, you will run one page 1 and with page 2. Okay? 2 web page. Huh? Okay, different web page. If it start, it should stop. That is your homework. If it starts, it should stop. And if it starts again, this should start. Opposite. So, you have to make a video for 10 minutes. Minimum 10 to 20 minutes. You have to show me in that video. One is starting, one is stop. One is starting, one is stop. Whatever you got idea. You take idea SIM card also. But do it. Online people, understood?
Yes.
That means your work will be doing same thing only, but I did what? You two instance start directly. But here I want at one time it should start, the other should off. Okay? Clear? Anybody has any question? The people who will download this video, this homework for them also. And don't come and say that I didn't understand because you are absent. Okay, fine then. So let's see that our project came up or not. So you can see it is starting. Still stop. Let's see. It's 55, 55. It's coming. It takes some time because we are giving what? We are giving on minute. We are not looking at second. Second difference will come, no? That I don't know. I think 6 it will work. Okay, just try it. Why I am saying no. Here what happens now? It comes under your 12-hour format. Yesterday also I tried with 12-hour format. After that I realized I should have used 24-hour format. Check it once after 6. আমার 24-hour format কাজ করবে 12-hour format কাজ করবে না মনে হয় এখন কাজ করতে তখন কাজ করবে So check at night tutorials. I also do in the evening batch also same thing. Because I used yesterday again 12-hour format only. I think it will work on 24-hour format. As you're using UTC now, you should do it 24-hour format only. Try. I need this homework. I'm repeating my homework again. I need same function but start and stop to single separately. Once will start, other will stop. That means the web page I should get that time. Again, when this is start, 7 web page I should come. Okay? Clear? Online people clear? I need this homework. Let's be everybody. I'm saying. Usha?
Yes, sir, I'll do.
Good. Rajendran?
Sir, today only back to class. I left today class for function. I will pick up today and then I will.
Do it. Homework you have to do. Okay? Because all videos are there.
I will do. I will check and I will do it.
Okay, fine. Thank you. Bharat, you don't have laptop only, correct? But I need homework.
I will do within 3 to 4 days, sir.
Do and send it.
It is not possible.
Okay. Chalo then. Bye. See you tomorrow.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, thank you.